Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Dodge Challenger RT. Stock number is 18F507B. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps on the front end. A look down the passenger side. You have blackout alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels, and they are wrapped with Uniroyal Tiger Paw tires. Taking a look inside at the cloth interior, the seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust on the back. Taking a look inside of the trunk area, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo. You have dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Charger on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.